Raheem Sterling wasted no time in snagging his first goal for Manchester City, scoring 2 minutes and 17 seconds into their International Champions Cup match against Roma. Sterling himself was obviously pleased, posting this photo saying, "Back doing what I love doing." But the best part? Former Liverpool teammate Mario Balotelli tweeted his support, saying, "Well done. Best answer. Keep it up." Seems like a subtle jab at the Reds and their fans, doesn't it? Well, they weren't too thrilled about the tweet, and they let Balotelli know it. So he followed up saying, "Liverpool fans are amazing, but I hope Sterling will play at his best because he deserves it. He's a good guy, young and talented. Support him like you always did. He gave everything to this club and respected it. So I'm sad to see this. You never walk alone. Liverpool is a family always." While Mario's intentions are clearly good, this certainly won't help endear him to Liverpool fans.